We are going to do something so fun today. We are going to do Seatwork. Boys and girls watching, you probably might already have your paper right there. And if not, then your on-site teacher will give it to you in just a few minutes. So let's look at our paper, what we're going to do today. So all eyes right here because you want to be able to follow the teacher's instructions today. Let's look at our paper. The first thing we're going to look at is the front of our paper. We have two sides of our paper. So first we're going to look at the kitties. Do you see those kitty cats right there? They are sitting inside of a box. But I see a house down at the bottom of our paper. And at the house it says trace the L's and finish the row. When we see a house, that tells us we're going to do pencil work. What is it called? Pencil work. So we're going to do some pencil work. So look right here on the board. I have pencil work to look like your paper. So let me show you. You're going to do pencil work just like right here. My pencil work says that I'm going to trace the L. So I'm going to go up, loop around, and cross over. Come down, go up, loop around, and cross over. And I'm going to do that all the way. And I'm going to do it all the way to the end. And then your paper has two of them. So you're going to trace the first red dot. You're going to trace the second red dot. And then you're going to make your very own. So watch me. I slant up, I loop around and cross over. I slant up, loop around and cross over. I slant up, loop around and cross over. I slant up, loop around and cross over. Because I had, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it wants me to do 4 L's. So we're going to make 4 L's. So you're going to trace, and make your very own. Now, you've done your pencil work on the first page. Then you're going to turn your paper over. You're going to turn your paper over. Now let's look on the second page. I see another pencil work because what's this right here called? What is that? A house. So when we see a house, the house is going to remind us that we're going to do what? Pencil work. What are we going to do? Pencil work. Pencil work. We're going to do what, Kyla? When we see a what? When we see the house. When we see the house, we're going to do pencil work. So we're going to come down and we're going to do pencil work. And this pencil work has 5 little E's. I'm going to loop up to the dotted line and cross over. Go up and cross over. Go up and cross over. All the way. And then I'm going to go to the second one and do the same thing. And then I'm going to make my very own. And I'm going to make my E's all the way. I'm going to make 5 of them. Just like this. And then my pencil work is done on this row on the houses. So I've done both my houses, but I still have some more pencil work. Let's look at our pencil work on the page 2 up at the above. It says draw a line to the things that go together. Let's look at the crayon. A crayon would go inside of a what?
A crayon box.
A crayon box. So you would draw a line to the crayon box. Now it already did that for you, so you just have to take your pencil and draw on the dotted lines and draw nice and neatly one time. Then I see a shirt. What would a shirt go on?
A hanger.
A hanger. So you're going to draw a line to the hanger. And then a carton of milk would go inside a what?
Refrigerator.
Well, it would go in a refrigerator, but what's on our paper?
Milk.
A lunchbox. That's a lunchbox right there. Oh, it's so cute. It has a little grasshopper on it. It goes inside of a lunchbox. So you're going to draw your lines. That is all pencil work. Now, you have another job to do. When you're all done, you have to check your work. What do you have to do?
Check your work.
You have to check your work. So you're going to turn your paper back over and you're going to look at pencil work number 1. You're going to look at the house. Did you do all of your pencil work? Then you turn your paper back, to the second side, and check your work. Did you do your matching? Did you do all your pencil work in the houses? If you've done all of your pencil work, then you have another job. Step 3, you can color. Step 3 is color. What is step 3?
Color.
Color, but you cannot color until you've done step number 1 and step number 2. Step number 1 is you have done all of your pencil work. Step number 2, you have checked that you've done all of your pencil work. Then you can do step number 3 is coloring. You cannot color if you haven't done all of your pencil work. So After you've done your pencil work, what's step number 2? You have to check your work. What do you have to do?
Check the work.
You have to check your work, and then when you go to color, you turn your paper back over after you've checked both sides, and then you make color. And this one says connect the dots to finish the box. So you can use your brown crayon to finish the box, and then you color the kitty cats orange. But pencil work is step number 1. What's step number 1?
Pencil work.
Step number 2 is we have to
Check.
check. We've done all of our pencil work. And step number 3 is?
Color.
Color. Can we color if step 1 and 2 is not done?
No.
No. I know you're going to do your best because you're going to follow directions and you're going to do your best and you're going to work hard on your seat work.